Okay, we're going to solder our bullet connectors on here to the motor. The motor wires come pre-tinned already. We just got to get a little bit of solder into the bullet itself. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of heat here. Inside there. Let it heat up a minute. I'm going to just hold the heat to the side. Get a fair amount of solder in there. Now it's still touching it, keeping it hot with the soldering iron. I'm going to dip this end in there. Let it heat up. Give it a second or two. There we go, we got our first bullet on. I'll straighten that out a little bit. Much better. Okay, we'll put our next one on. I've just got little holes that I've drilled into the piece of wood there. Get a little bit of solder into the bullet. Get our wire over here, get it ready to go. Dip it right in there. Let it cool for a minute so that the solder solidifies. Second one's done. Let's do the third one. Again, a little bit of heat here. Get our solder right in there. Get our next wire ready to go. Dip it on in there. Hold it for a second. Let it solidify. There we go, we got our 3 bullets. Now I get some heat shrink.